Hello kids! It's Ava. I welcome you in another exciting video made by Ophelia. In this video, we will learn the small letter K. Are you ready for another magical journey? Let's get started. Can you guess? What is she drawing today? Yay! You guessed it right. It's a kettle. K as in kettle. Ophelia has chosen silver color to paint the body of the kettle. It's a silver color, my sweet little pumpkins. Keep painting, keep dreaming, keep making the world a more colorful place. See how gently you're touching the paper with your little brush? You're so careful and patient. I'm so proud of you. Every stroke you make is a tiny masterpiece. The most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Look at those stripes and zigzags. You're making patterns like a busy little bee. This is a blue color. Big brush for the sky, small brush for the butterfly. You know just the right tool for the job. So kids, she is coloring a pouring spout. She is using the silver color. I just wonder sometimes, every dip in the paint pot is a surprise. Now, she is coloring the lid. Keep mixing and matching those colors. You're a little alchemist, creating your own rainbow potion. This is light gray color. She has almost colored the whole kettle. And now, she is coloring the handle with brown color. This is so beautiful, isn't it, kids? You're a tiny brush superhero. Those small strokes are strong and brave. And now, the letter K itself. Ophelia, you're so impressive. Let's color the letter K together. Now, you all know the word kettle, and kettle starts with the letter K. Now, she'll say, "Thank you," with so much love. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and please hit like and subscribe if you appreciate her work and what we bring to you every time. See you next time.